Hello guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I am your CA Sanjay Abhishek. I am going to tell you the differences between the court and tribunal. Many students have read this word multiple times, court, tribunal, but they have not known the differences between a court and a tribunal. Here I have pointed out three differences where I'll explain each and everything. See, in tribunal, who can work, who can actually practice? CA, CS and CMA in practice along with advocates. These dudes can practice in a tribunal, whereas in court only advocates are allowed to practice, right? Here in tribunal we don't call them as judge, we don't call them as magistrate, we call them as members. That is, the head will be called as judicial member, legal member, technical member. They will handle these cases. Whereas in court you call the head called as judge or a magistrate, right? Judge will be dealing with both civil and criminal cases, whereas magistrate will deal only and exclusively in criminal cases. Whereas in tribunal you have it based on the law, right? SEBI you have Securities Appellate Tribunal, SAT. For company law matters, you have NCLT, National Company Law Tribunal, and NCLAT, National Company Law Appellate Tribunal. For SARFAESI Act, we have Debt Recovery Tribunal based on the acts. If you also take Income Tax Act, you will also have Income Tax Appellate Tribunal. In GST, you have GST Appellate Tribunal. But whereas in court, you have District Court, High Court and Supreme Court, whereas High Courts are state specific and Supreme Courts are nationwide. You know, the India Supreme Court is located in New Delhi, right? Thank you guys.